Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the exposure in Iron Nest. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. To do so, click on the clipboard in the main menu or by pressing the escape and go to settings. From settings, select graphics and scroll down, as you can see, to the effects section. Here is exposure. Here you can adjust it from the default of 0.0 to go as low as minus 2.0 or as high as 2.0. Of course, you see the difference. Adjust it to your liking and hit apply. After that, hit close and return to game. And that's about it. Thank you for watching and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.